All right, boys and girls, my children, it's about that time, baby. It is going down in H-Town. You guys see, we got the booth, all types of setup in this biatch today. We have 1,000,001 vendors in the building. You guys know it's going down, all of it. Prime stuff. So you guys know I sell on my website, Thrift Heaven Vintage. I do all this on YouTube, but we're taking the internet to the real world today, buddies. We're live in the flesh. You guys already know. So this event is gonna be huge. It's gonna be beautimous, and the fine folks at Depop actually came through and sponsored the event. So shout out Depop. If you guys do not have the app on your phone, it's a great place to buy and sell clothes online. So if you guys don't have events like this, then get that work off on the interwebs. So today, man, I'm gonna be meeting you guys, having a blast in this biatch, and hopefully everybody in this hoe is gonna make some dough. You dig? So anyways, once I'm done chopping up with you guys, I'm actually gonna cop some stuff from Depop and get it going. And I'll actually throw up some items that I get here on my Depop. All the info is down below at Mr. Paul Cantu. That way you guys can grab a little piece of this event your damn self. But let's get into it.
This is for the G's and this is for the hustlers. That's to get paid, that's to get paid. This is for the G's and this is for the hustlers. That's to get paid, that's to get paid. This is for the G's and this is for the hustlers. That's to get paid, that's to get paid. This is for the G's and this is for the hustlers. That's to get paid, that's to get paid.
Oh, Mama Cantu in the building. Are you gonna throw some shade?
I ain't got no shade to throw.
You ain't got no shade to throw?
I left my hat at home. We watch on YouTube.
Thank you, appreciate that. What's good, what's good? Oh, y'all got the early tickets?
Yes.
Bruh. Hey man, it's an hour before the event officially starts, and they got the early bird tickets, so they getting all the footage right now. Damn, I appreciate you guys, man.
Check out, bro.
What? What you got? What you got? All right. Oh, sheesh. Bruh, that P for Paul and Pooh, because I be shitting on them. Oh my God, yeah, this is glorious.
I got the inside part.
Oh, stop it. That's beautiful. Look at all his emotions just on display. Dude, that is awesome, brother. Hey, yeah, I mean, if you can find...
It don't fit me.
For real?
It's too big.
Sheesh.
Yeah, a little more inches on.
Hey, I like that little honey pea though. All right, if we can find something that's trade worthy, let's run it. I got that poo today. I'm ready to shit on them boys. And in exchange, got that flagrant break and win like a boss windbreaker heater, baby. Yes, sir. Come on, what you think, Rob? We got Bounce Back Texas in the building, man.
We had a day to trade a Warren. I just want to show appreciation to this Warren Moon right there. That's a beautiful piece.
I know, man.
Crazy piece, baby.
Hey, get on your tippy toes. You still can't reach it, baby. That thing is on the moon, man. Hey, what's up, bro?
Oh, whoa! Is that dual action?
Come on, we need
that dual camera. I ain't had this much fun since high school. That dual camera.
Casting, baby. Hey, what's
Telling
good,
you,
bro?
what's up?
That POV light.
But yeah, man, the day to trade a Warren is a move. It's the big time move. It's crazy. It's crazy.
For life, suckers. Hey, that's a full fit, bro. It's my first sale of the day. Is the fishes that get you hella bitches triclops. So you guys know, sometimes you gotta pass on the fish fuego to others. Oh man, guys, I'm letting go of the first planter. It is a Jordan 1 to these two beautiful hosts. So Paul Plan 2 is letting the planter go, man. Oh my God, hey, high fashion, bro. Look at that polo bag. Hey, high key, we're 20 now too. We got big boy and mini me. Hey, this is like dick size, it's accurate. My man Jamar pulled up. I'm his biggest fan. And he got me the UT flag, baby. Hey, this is going in the new crib. Hey, thank you so much, Jamar. Yeah. gonna say, he got me the best. Get you hella ass a rainbow trout. Is that what this is, right?
It is.
A rainbow trout with the matching like that. On the head. Holy shit. Oh, like that. All strapped up. That's crazy. Oh, plan 2 strikes again. We're doing a little Depop pushing right now. So I'm at the first Depop booth and I'm ready to cop some stuff. So go ahead and shout out your Depop, my brother.
Pick up Texas, man. Follow us on Depop, Instagram. Let us know. You know, we got the fire for you guys.
All right, I'm trying to get burned, man. I'm trying to get all the burns right now. So I think I'm gonna ball on a $20 budget per piece. So I'm gonna see what I can find in here and get to it. All right, guys. So hey, it didn't take much time at all, man. I had to grab that Mickey Mouse piece right here. You guys know we gotta have that rodent little varmint clout going on. Okay. So it's 20 bucks. My size can go with just about anything under the sun. Hey, first Depop cop.
Hell yeah, bro.
Appreciate you, brother.
Man. Thank
hell
you a lot.
yeah, hell yeah. Oh, hey, I guess Jordan's selling on Depop too. No, we got Depop seller number 2 and it's a Beyond. What is it?
Jump shot classics.
All right, let them know. Let them know, baby. All right, so we balling. All right, so what you got, man? Let's find a little something. $20 range. What you got? Any piece that you want me to get, I'll cop. Let's do it. I'm telling y'all guys, we ain't playing today. I gotta have some heat from here to transfer to there. You know what I mean? Victory is sweet. 25? Hey, victory is sweet, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Stop number 2. We got that Peach City. Shout out all the girls with them bubble butts. You already know. This Olympian is straight lifting that shit out the orchard. You know what I mean? So we got a $5 discount. So definitely check out the homies Depop. He is blessing us today. And we shall bestow some blessings back. Go check everybody out, man. For real. All right, guys, look, this is a real special Depop seller right here. This is my cousin, baby. So, yeah, this is my cousin, man. A brother from another mother, another Cantu in this piece. This is courtside vintage. Check him out on Depop. All right, what you got for $20, baby? Over here, bro. Come over here, bro. $20 rack. Man, he knew exactly where to take us, too.
This one, bro.
This one?
The Andy Pettit.
Andy Pettit, little H-Town classic. All right, so this is a nice little 20 piece right here, so you already know. Gotta cop that hoe. Look at this dude. What do you think he's throwing right here? Like a changeup, a fastball? What you think? Look at the grip.
Curveball, bro.
Curveball?
Yeah.
You gotta
Look at the hand.
look at that grip, baby.
Oh yeah, that's
That boy-
a curveball.
That boy clutching in balls, baby. You already know. Hey, so Depop shop number 3. Check out my boy Courtside. You already know. Only 20 bucks. Let's get it. Hey man, we're at spot number 4. You dig? Hey, the little Depop bag is starting to pop. You know what I'm saying? The seams are starting to rip. Hey, I know y'all setting up, my brother, but shout out your Depop one time. What's your Depop, baby?
Essential_vintage.
Essential vintage, baby.
We're out here just slanging anything and everything.
All right, so he said they got a little bit of everything. What do you have for $20? Any piece that you think I would want or that the people would want to see for 20 bucks? We're topping it right now. You got me for 20 on that? Marvin the Martian, 20 bucks? Bro, out of this world. Hey, this is some real H-Town shit. That's Interstellar, baby. Holy hell. And that is how it's done.
Pop out my big body form. Everything's my way. Pop out my big body form. Everything's my way.
We hate it goofy especially.
Body form.
Did you stuck my IG or what? Probably did, man. Trying to twin.
Hey, it is what it is, though, huh?
Hey, you ain't winning if you ain't winning, baby. All right, man. It's going crazy in here. Young Clippers in the building. Hey, hit him with it.
Fuck with me. Fuck with me, baby.
Yeah. So we're out here, bro. It is a crazy vibe, man.
Pop out my big body form. Everything's my way. Pop out my big body form.
Let me get this shot. All right, guys, we're at shop number 5. That is Junkyard Threads. Sorry if my head is blocking the day. But you guys know the time. $20 later. Ooh!
2001. Chevy truck.
Bro, chromed out. You guys know how we are in H-Town. We flipping on chrome, baby. This is definitely a hometown heater. And now it's in my possession. 20 bucks. I got you. Just walked in the building, baby. Gang shit. Hey, so all the OGs also know about Mr. Dara. That's like from 5 or 6 years ago. This man was in the video. So yeah, man, it's family teams out here, baby. Family teams. I love it. All right, guys, it's loud in here, but we're at booth number 6 right now. So what's your Depop?
Retro Claudia, R-E-T-R-O, Claudia with a K.
Oh, little,
Like that color kind of tight now.
little Dan Marino. What's 15? How about I bless you with 20 bucks? Tossing like a dolphin. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're at Depop booth number 7, as Kanye would say. 7. We're over here with the homie Olivia. So what's your Depop?
I live in vintage, L-I-V-N, vintage. I got you.
Ooh.
Trails, some.
Is that 20?
Yeah, I got it for you for 20.
20?
Yep.
All right, let's run it. All right, baby. We're at Depop booth number 8, baby. Last and certainly not least. Hey, what's your Depop, my brother?
Man, we're all Cool Hand Vintage out of Dallas, Texas.
Cool Hand. Check him out on Depop.
Why don't you pick one for 20, bro? I'll do you any one of these. Except the Sonic tag.
All right, how about a Pistons?
Hell yeah, dude.
Hey, you guys know, I'd rather be pissed on than pissed off. So I'm going with the Detroit Pistons for $20. Hey, shout out to homie Cool Hand. Check out his Depop. We out here. What's up, son? Hey, that tone work, daddy. Hey, world's out here. Who's winning?
Texans, you already know.
Hey.
Hey, fuck the Texans, cuz.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, not again, guys. Not again. This is some H-Town legend shit. The homie just blessed me with the vintage Nike jacket. Tennis edition, bro. I'm getting rid of that ass right now. Sheesh. Yeah, I do. Hey, can you give it a little tap real quick though? Like, you gotta smack that ass, baby. Hey guys, I met her at Walmart, and now she's here. That's love, baby. All right, guys, we're about 1 hour left in the event. It's been crazy. I got rid of like more than half of the planters that I had, which is crazy. It's looking a little bit skimpy over here, but that's always a good sign, man. It's been an amazing day. Thank you to everybody that came out and showed love. Man, it's a blessing, bro. A straight up blessing. Oh man, guys, and we are back right now. Sorry I didn't conclude the video in the event center. I was just busy packing up my vehicle. My voice is about to be gone after this event, but if you guys enjoyed, man, please show some love on the video. Also, I want to thank Depop for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring the event. Now, all the items that I got from the 8 vendors in the event are gonna be on my Depop, which is linked in the video description. And I also wanna tell y'all, if you guys have a Depop, please comment it in the description of the video. I'm going to be shopping you guys' closets on Depop, so please make sure that you include your Depop page, and I will go through, cop some items, and unbox them in a follow-up video. So I think that'll be really, really cool. But yeah, man, I wish I could get everybody who pulled up to the event in the video. If I miss you, just know I'm so blessed, appreciative, and thankful that all you guys came through, because it was a whirlwind of an adventure tonight. I am absolutely exhausted, but yeah, I figured the best way to conclude this video is with a dope piece that one of you guys actually wore to the event. So yeah, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream, and as Kinky says, man,
Always eat ass.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Parustu. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.